Hello viewers, I welcome you here. In this video I will tell you how to make a sketch from image. This is the original picture. This is sketch 1. At the end of this video you will be able to create this sketch yourself out of any picture. First of all, you need to open the picture. I already have opened it. Duplicate this layer. Name this sketch by double clicking on it. Change it from normal to color dodge. Press Ctrl I from the keyboard to inverse it. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. You need to set this yourself. See how much detail you want and you should set this. I will set this to 4.2. Come here, hue or saturation. The saturation must be -100. Go to the layer again. Click here. Levels. Set this to how much detail you want. And now this is the sketch. This is the original picture and this is the sketch 1.